In the world of flagship smartphones, two titans are battling for supremacy: the Sony Xperia VIII and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. With cutting-edge technology, these devices promise to elevate your mobile experience. But which one truly reigns supreme? Are you ready for unparalleled camera capabilities, stunning displays, and powerhouse performance? Today, we'll dive deep into their most impressive features, comparing everything from camera prowess to battery life. But here's the burning question: is the Sony Xperia VIII's pro-grade photography enough to overshadow the iPhone 17 Pro Max's seamless user experience? Let's find out. When it comes to photography, the Sony Xperia VIII shines with its advanced triple camera system, featuring a 48MP wide lens with dual-pixel PDF and OIS, perfect for capturing stunning low-light shots. Its AI camera assistant and RAW multi-frame processing take mobile photography to the next level, making it a favorite for enthusiasts. On the flip side, the iPhone 17 Pro Max boasts a 48MP wide lens and a variable optical zoom of 5x8x, along with a pro-level photography application that enhances every shot. This combination of features ensures exceptional clarity and detail, making it a powerhouse for casual and professional photographers alike. For selfies, the Sony Xperia VIII offers a 12MP wide lens that captures vibrant images, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max takes the lead with its 18MP multi-aspect camera, featuring an ultra-wide lens and a 3D depth sensor for stunning portraits and group shots. This edge in resolution and depth perception makes the iPhone the go-to choice for selfie lovers. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia VIII is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance with its octa-core CPU. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's A19 Pro chipset outperforms in benchmark tests, delivering faster processing and graphics capabilities. With a hexa-core CPU, it provides a seamless experience for gaming and multitasking, making it the better choice for power users. In performance benchmarks, the Sony Xperia VIII scores an impressive 2,312,684 on Antutu, showcasing its strong capabilities. Yet, the iPhone 17 Pro Max surpasses this with a score of 2,600,583, solidifying its status as a performance beast. This difference highlights the iPhone's superior optimization, making it the preferred device for those who demand speed and efficiency. The display is where both devices excel, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max stands out with its 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen, offering breathtaking resolution and brightness levels that reach up to 3000 nits. Meanwhile, the Sony Xperia VIII features a 6.5-inch LTPO OLED display with a 240Hz touch scanning rate, providing smooth interactions. Both displays are impressive, but the iPhone's superior resolution and brightness give it the edge for media consumption and gaming. When it comes to unique features, the Sony Xperia VIII impresses with its dedicated camera shutter button and native Sony Alpha camera support, appealing to photography enthusiasts. In contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro Max offers advanced capabilities like reverse wireless charging and a professional camera app, making it versatile for everyday use. These specialized features cater to different user needs, enhancing the overall smartphone experience. Finally, in terms of battery life, the Sony Xperia VIII comes equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring longevity for heavy users. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, with its slightly smaller 4823 mAh battery, still manages to deliver excellent performance thanks to its efficient software optimization. While both devices offer great battery life, the Xperia's larger capacity may appeal to those who prioritize longevity.